We're in an apartment block, Church Street, North Parramatta. This is the lift lobby. Moving around, quite a big apartment. And we've actually noticed the floor in the lift lobby, and it's pretty grimy. Speaking to the building manager, he actually reckons that perhaps this should actually now be steam cleaned. It has been cleaned before, and by just using the Floor Express and my famous Hedgehog floor pad and water, there's the build-up that I've actually taken off before rinsing. This is what the floor looks like, getting down and getting dirty. That's what the floor looks like. Look at it all in the grain and in the grout as well. So this is a pretty coarse floor tile, obviously then retains the dirt. Coming over, this is the one that I've just cleaned. And again, and again. Now look how much of that grout is actually not showing that dirt as well. So moving back, you can actually see the difference between the two. And then what about the difference from the back area as well? Where all the chemicals, all the products that have been used before have actually just been splashing up and staying on the back there. Look at the difference. Look at the difference between clean tiles and what they had before. I think this is testimony to the Hara cleaning product, and I'm really happy with that result. We're going to be contacting the cleaners and to be able to assist and help them with the Hara cleaning products and more. Fair dinkum.